everyone, today we're going to make Frito pie. This is a really simple dish to make that's really good. I have 2.5 cups of chili. You can either make a homemade chili, or if you want you can just use canned chili. Then I have 3 cups of Fritos, 3/4 of a cup of diced up onion, and then 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And you can use, I prefer the sharp, but you can use a medium if you'd like. And then you're just going to need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Alright, then to put this together, I just have an 8x8 pan that I did grease. You're going to take about 2/3 of your corn chips and just sprinkle those on the bottom of your dish. Then you're going to take a little over half of your onion, and you're just going to sprinkle that. Then you'll just take about half of your cheese, sprinkle that in. Then you're going to take all of your chili, and just spread that out so it's nice and even. And then all you'll do is you'll just sprinkle the rest of your Fritos, the rest of your onions, and the rest of your cheese over the top. And then all you're going to do is you're going to just bake this at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. You just want to make sure that the cheese is all nice and bubbly on top. Alright, I just took the Frito pie out of the oven, and you want to make sure that you serve it nice and hot, so hope you enjoy.